On the occasion of the feast of St. Anthony Mary Claret, the founder of the Claretian congregation, and on whose name the institution is named, we, the members of St. Claret College, Bangalore, present the short video as we commemorate his feast on the 24th of October. Anthony Mary Claret was born in Sallent, Spain in 1807 to a small woolen manufacturer. Anthony was the fifth of the 7 children of Joanne and Josepha. He was born on the eve of Christmas in the year 1807. As a child, he was remarkable for his piety, modesty, and obedience. St. Claret received an elementary education in his native village, and at the age of 12, he became a weaver. He eventually felt a call to the religious life and entered the seminary of Vic in Barcelona. He was ordained a priest on June 13, 1835, and subsequently began missionary work in Catalonia. As a young man, St. Anthony Mary Claret was inflamed by the ideals of love and dreamed of doing great deeds. St. Anthony Mary Claret was a prolific writer and publisher. He has over 200 published works to his credit. He wrote prolifically on several subjects from agriculture to engineering. He wrote 144 books and preached close to 25,000 sermons. He didn't stop here. He went on to places like jails and hospitals, defended the oppressed, and denounced racism. In Spain, he established a scientific laboratory, a museum of natural history, a library, college, and schools of music and languages. Upon returning to Spain, he founded the congregations of the Missionary Sons of the Immaculate Heart of Mary, otherwise known as the Claretians. He died on 24th of October 1870 at the age of 62. And it is on this day that we celebrate it as our Founders' Day. We marvel at this great person on whose name the college is started. St. Anthony Mary Claret founded the Order of Claretian Missionaries on the 16th of July 1849 in Spain. Currently headquartered in Rome, the order has 3,000 plus Claretians serving in 64 countries across the globe. Fired by love for God and humanity, they serve the pastoral, spiritual, socio-cultural, and educational needs of the people, especially those on the margins of the society. The Claretian congregation, called as Claretian Missionaries, is an international society of Catholic priests. In India, there are 600 Claretians working in 11 states. They care for the leprosy, drug addicts, AIDS patients, blind, differently abled, and also with the educational institutions. Educational activities at the Bangalore Jalahalli campus began in 1987 with the establishment of St. Claret School. The second phase of the growth of educational mission was the opening of St. Claret Pre-University College. After the Pre-University College was established, the third phase of growth was the launching of St. Claret College as an affiliated college of Bangalore University in the year 2005. The core values of the institution are faith in God, respectful relationality, justice, service, truthfulness and personal integrity, synergic cooperation.
Where do I even begin? I think the best way to describe Claret would be through a quote from the Bible. Ask and it shall be given. Seek and you shall find. Knock and it shall be opened. Over the years, many have asked me, why are you still in the same campus? Well, it feels like home. Now that I look back, it's just amazing to know how much I've grown with the institution. I still remember the construction of the AC school, expansion of the state school, inclusion of 2 new floors to both PU and degree college. I am who I am today because of the principles and values the institution has taught me. I would love to thank the management, all my principals, teachers, securities, and even the ministerial staff for making each and every day of my life in the campus a better one. In the end, I just want to say that I am a proud Claretine.
Hello everybody, Mamika Naik here. I'm an alumni as well as former cultural captain. I never knew my journey here in Claret would change my entire life. Claret molded me into a woman who is ready to take over the world now, from the girl who knew nothing about the world. For that, I will always be thankful for my alma mater. I always had best teachers who treated me more like a daughter than a student. I would like to thank all of them who showed me and guided me the right path of life as well as a journey as a cultural captain.
Friends, greetings from E.V. John. I had retired as an office manager from St. Claret College, Bangalore. My association with St. Claret dates back to the period 2001 onwards. Since then, I had a lot of opportunities to serve this great saint. Firstly, I had actively involved in the construction of Anthony Mary Church at Dasarahalli, Bangalore. Later on, I founded an IELTS institute in the name of St. Claret. 7 years back, I had joined St. Claret College, Jalahalli and worked there till my retirement. It was indeed a memorable journey in St. Claret College till the last working day for me. St. Claret has been a great source of strength for me all through. Let Anthony Mary Claret bless you all on this feast day. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Simran Feroz wishing you all a very happy Patrons Day. I am proud Claretine successfully completing 17 years of my journey from St. Claret Educational Institutions. This institution has given me a perfect shape and identified me and made me what I am today. Always follow the main objective of our institution, that is truthfulness. Truth may hurt, but it eventually heals and gives life. I again wish you all a very happy Patrons Day.
It's been 10 years. My sincere thanks to St. Claret Group of Institutions for accepting me as part of their organization. I had a wonderful learning experience in my career at St. Claret College. At any given situation, the management is very supportive, caring and cooperative. Proud to be a Claretine.
And may we continue to set everyone on fire with God's love.